Last year, while millions of Nigerians struggled to keep up with the rising prices, a select group of investors saw their wealth grow by over 100% from the stock market alone. What did they know that others didn't? Welcome to Finance with Anne. Today, I'm going to be revealing my complete investment roadmap for 2025. If you're watching this video, congratulations, you're already ahead. Most people wait until things get better before they start investing. But by then, the biggest gains have already gone to those who took action early. Last year was a tough year for many Nigerians. Policies were implemented, adjustments were made, and many Nigerians focused solely on survival. But this year is our building year, when those who position themselves strategically will potentially reap significant rewards. Let's quickly dive into where you should be investing your money in 2025. Stick around with me to the end because I'll be showing you how you can split your investment if you're a beginner starting with less than 100,000, or if you have over ₦1 million to invest. I'm going to be showing you how to split it into different investment types. My first and perhaps most exciting recommendation is the Nigerian stock market. Many investors missed remarkable gains last year when some Nigerian stocks returned well over 100%, some over 200%. Completely outpacing inflation. Isn't that simply amazing? Even though we might not see the same massive growth this year, I strongly believe that many Nigerian stocks are presently trading at prices that offer opportunities for growth. If you're a beginner, one of the ways to get started in the Nigerian stock market is by going for well-established dividend-paying companies in stable industries like banking and consumer goods. My second recommendation might sound unpatriotic, but it is practical. You need to maintain some of your money in a foreign currency. See, I love my country, but this is about creating a safety net. Even though many people are predicting that the naira will bounce back this year, having some dollar investments will provide some financial security against unexpected economic shocks. Many people make the mistake of leaving their dollars in the domiciliary account in the bank or in their wardrobe. No. Your dollars should be sent to work to earn for you. I have a video showing you exactly how to invest and earn in dollars. Good thing is that this investment retains your earnings and your capital in dollars, so it will never be converted to naira at any point. This investment option is perfect for people that are already earning in dollars. I will put the link to that video in the description of this video. You can start small and gradually build your dollar savings and investments. And remember that this isn't about speculation of what the naira will be or what the dollar will be. This is simply about diversification. We need to have a healthy balance of different investments in our portfolio. The next investment that I will be investing in this year is commercial papers. Remember how I told you in the previous video that federal government savings bonds is simply the government coming to borrow money from us? Well, commercial papers is now private organizations and institutions coming to borrow money from us. Why would big corporations come to borrow money from us instead of going to the bank, you may ask? Well, there are many reasons why they would prefer to come to borrow from the general public. These commercial papers provide these private organizations an alternative source of short-term funding. The minimum amount to invest is usually 5 million and above, but some investment companies can allow you to invest from 1 million naira. Most of the commercial papers are short-term, which means that in less than 1 year, the investment is done and you get your interest and capital back. The interest rates offered in commercial papers are usually higher than what we get from the federal government savings bonds or from treasury bills. But note that this investment is actually considered high risk because there is no collateral requirements from these organizations. So commercial papers present a wonderful investment option for people who are looking to diversify beyond government securities, especially with its high rates and short-term duration. Don't worry if you still have questions on commercial papers. I'll be making a dedicated video on commercial papers soon. All your questions will be answered there. Are you getting value from this video so far? Please hit that like button if you haven't already. It really encourages me to see your likes and it helps YouTube to show this video to more people that need it. My fourth investment avenue for this year will be real estate. Real estate investment is not meant to be a high-risk investment, but unfortunately, with the number of issues we are having here, one needs to be extra careful with their real estate investments. And that is why I'm happy to introduce the Encumbered Properties company to you. Now, this company is all about protecting you in your real estate journey by telling you what to look out for when you're looking to invest in real estate in Nigeria and outside Nigeria, by bringing to you encumbered properties and properties that are under dispute, so that you don't fall victim to these properties. We presently have real estate companies that are marketing properties, lands, and buildings that they know is under dispute. They are in one court case or another, but they are still deceiving the public and collecting money on these properties. This company also brings to your notice properties that are not under dispute but are not for sale. For some reason, the owner does not want to sell it, and somebody might just go behind and sell and collect money. So this company will alert you so that you don't fall victim to buying a property that the owner has dropped as not for sale. I'm going to drop the link to their YouTube channel in the description and also their website in the description. Do yourself a favor and check it out. When it comes to investing in real estate, we also now have a high demand for short-let apartments. Many young professionals now prefer well-furnished serviced apartments over the traditional hotel options. So you're thinking Airbnb and co. If you don't have enough resources to invest in real estate on your own right now, feel free to pool resources together with trusted family or friends. Focus on urban city centers like Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja, Enugu, where demand is high and real estate appreciates fast. My fifth recommendation where you should be investing your money this year is in government securities. I'm talking treasury bills and federal government savings bonds. Treasury bills currently offer rates of about 18 to 20%, while federal government savings bonds is currently offering rates of about 16 to 18%. These rates significantly outperform your regular savings account in the bank. And remember that this investment is completely low risk. For beginners, federal government savings bonds is a wonderful opportunity as the minimum investment to start is 5,000 naira. I already have full detailed videos on both the federal government savings bonds and treasury bills, where I show you all you need to know plus the advantages and disadvantages of investing in each of them. I'm going to put the link to these videos in the description of this video. My sixth recommendation of where you should be investing your money this year is in mutual funds, especially money market funds. For those of us that prefer a hands-off approach to our investments, money market funds help us to have our investments professionally managed. This option is wonderful for busy professionals who don't have the time to actively manage their investments. Good news is that many money market funds performed very well last year, and this year so far they've been performing very well, giving returns of over 20%. Please make sure you look for only companies that are registered with the SEC, with consistent performance history and reasonable professional fees. I have a video on money market funds where I showed you everything you need to know about investing in money market funds, and I also gave you some recommendations of the companies that you should work with. The link is going to be in the description. As a bonus point, you can also consider investing a small portion, a very tiny portion of your portfolio in cryptocurrency. However, I must emphasize that you should only invest an amount of money that you're willing to lose in this very volatile asset class. Also, stick to established cryptocurrencies. Don't fall into the trap of chasing the latest trends. Now, let us move on to practical implementation. For beginners, if you're new to investing, here is how you can get started with 50,000 naira. 25,000 naira can be put in a money market fund, and many of these companies will allow you to start with as little as 5,000 naira. You can use this to also build your emergency fund. 15,000 naira can be put in a government security like the federal government savings bonds that is available every month, while 10,000 naira can be put in the stock market. You can use apps like Bamboo or Afro Investor 2.0 to make this easy for you. Remember that the key is for you to start now and stay consistent. For intermediate investors who have between 500,000 and 2 million to invest, you can invest 40% in a mix of Nigerian stocks across different sectors, 30% in government securities, 20% in dollar-denominated assets, and 10% in mutual funds or alternative investments like cryptocurrency. This balanced approach provides both growth potential and stability. For advanced investors who have from 5 million naira and above to invest, you can put 30% in income-generating real estate, 25% in commercial papers, 20% in strategic stock picks, 15% in dollar-denominated investments, and 10% in strategic alternative investments like cryptocurrency. Remember that it is wise to work with a financial advisor to maximize your portfolio structure. I happen to have a few slots available this month to work with you. So take advantage and book your slot immediately. I'm going to put the link in the comment section and also in the description. The opportunities I share today aren't just for theory. They are strategies that smart investors are implementing right now while others are waiting and procrastinating. Remember that wealth isn't created by following the crowd. Don't fall victim to Ponzi schemes simply because every other person is doing it. If this video has been valuable to you, I need you to do 3 things. The first one is to hit that like button and the subscribe button if you've not done so. Also turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any new investment video I'm going to be posting throughout this year. The second is to share this video with someone that needs this information. Financial literacy is how we build a stronger Nigeria together. Finally, comment below and tell me the investment avenue you're willing to pursue. That way I know that you stayed till the end. I will personally be responding to comments, and I might even create a dedicated video on my most requested topics. Do well to watch the video showing on your screen right now next. Till I see you, keep dreaming big and keep working hard towards your dreams. I'm rooting for you. Bye for now.